So yun nga, no?
Video. Ako naman mag-video, Papalek.
Ikaw na, kasi wala akong ano eh.
Ito naman yung babuyin natin.
Yeah, outro ka na.
Outro!
Sa pagsikat ng araw. Outro daw, hindi sinabing kumanta.
Sabi, out.
Outro, outro na, outro.
Hindi ba nga, wala kang outro eh, no? Ha?
Chin. Can you come here beside me?
So yun na nga, no, guys, dahil di ko alam kung paano tatapusin yung video, ganito na lang.
So, ganun sana yung end natin, guys. Kaya lang meron pa tayong isang pakulo.
Ano yun?
Which is which? 1, 2. Ayun o, sunod-sunod o. 1. Itong number 1. Number 1. Number 2. Uy, huwag kang gumilid. Number 2. Yun. Number 3. Ano, number 4.
Wala, may lilim. Hindi ko na kang safe.
May lilim daw, may lilim. Oh.
Uploaded na yan mamaya, wala nang edit.
Oh, wala nang edit. May 5 seconds. 1 minute pa lang, dapat 8 minutes para may ads.
Pwede mo nga lang mid-roll. Slow mo.
Slow mo.
Uy, namiss niya si Kuya. Shout out, Kuya Jerry. Baka naman.
Ninganyo ka eh.
Wala, hindi natin kilala. Saan na kaya? Dito pa kaya yun? Number 1 pa naman na may diabetes din.
Akala ko number 1 pa rin si Romel.
Gumagawa ng chismis ni
Sino number 2? Ba't sinaraduhan yung mga paliguan na ganyan?
Ano to eh? May rest
Chin.
nila to eh. Yeah.
But how do you like your country?
How do
My
you
country like Philippines.
Like Philippines?
Yes,
Do you really like eating Filipino food?
of course.
What's Filipino food do you like most?
I like pandesal.
Pare. Say hi.
Sabay sa dulo niya.
They say don't.
Hay, tapos diretso. Bumangga siya.
Dude.
Habulin siya.
I hear that guy said, "Look at your job."
Bawi niya.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
It's today is very hot.
No, it's not hot.
Now very hot. No, not hot.
It's a little hot. Why?
Kukontent kita.
Why?
Vikings.
So, ayun na nga guys. Kanina ko pa iniipit yung tiyan ko, talaga hindi na ako makahinga.
Ba't puro guys? Paano yung mga gays?
So, guys,
One gay.
mga girls, nag-iinit po. Yan, tignan nyo yung sabi ko sanang building namin, kaya lang hindi naman kami dyan nagtatrabaho eh.
Yaman niya rin yan. Laki ng building niya.
Ayan o, building namin yan o. Hawak kamay ko hanggang, hindi ko pa abot. 4 minutes, 4 minutes. Pwede na to, pwede na. Front and back na ang ano nito.
Pabakit building pala to, hindi pala sa buo na eh.
Pare! Wow! Pagod na yung tatlong...
We have this flower in my country.
Yes, too much. So, Chin, how are you tomorrow?
Tomorrow is a fantastic day.
How are you yesterday?
Yesterday also marvelous day.
How about today?
Today is Everton.
Huh?
Everton.
I wasn't? Why?
Oh, my vehicles, come.
Mappy vehicles.
I'm usually very straight to go.
This is very nice place, guys. Ang ganda ng
I
lugar.
need to explain something.
Yes, tell me.
The
Ask me.
people they're thinking Saudi Arabia,
Mm.
they don't have trees, just like a desert.
Oh.
Totally, they think this is desert with only sand.
Oh.
Even my country, when I first I arrived here,
Mm.
I thought also like that.
Only sun?
Only sand I thought,
But now-
like a real desert at, we saw sometime in the movie.
But now,
But now actually I realize it's not exactly what like that. Not everywhere is desert.
if you are there in upstairs, then you can see around. It's already coming green nature, green color. It's not
Yes.
yellow anymore.
Yes. Exactly.
Exactly why. So my hand now, I need, yeah. Keep it up, keep it up. So hawakan lang natin ng mga biri-biri minute kasi papasok tayo sa loob.
Don't worry.
Papasok tayo sa loob at pupunta sa pinaka rooftop. Oh, shit. See, it's magic. Oh, it's okay. Ayan guys, hihintay tayo ng elevator. Nandito tayo sa pinaka ground floor. And are we going to wait for them? Let's go, no need.
Hey.
Welcome to elevator.
Yes. This
Aywa, aywa.
very,
Tignan nyo
very
yung
long.
tiyan ko.
No.
How many months now is your tummy, Chin?
It's always increasing, like my salary.
Did you go?
7?
It's lock.
Oh, press the 7 over here.
7 only? It's lock.
Okay, go 6. No, it's not.
Hindi ba makakit to?
No, I think that.
Dapat kung paano lalabas dito lang eh.
What happened, Romeo? Can you say?
Nabiktima kami dito
Ay.
nakaraan eh. You know, last time when we come here, Sing, what we did? The three of us.
I don't. Hindi ko alam kung anong Uy! Oops! It's already 8:30 seconds. So hanggang dito na lang guys.
Na-reach ko na yung 8 minutes na.
Meron na tayong 8 minutes. Pwede na rin to sa pang mid-roll. At ganda ng pisina nila oh.
Dito ko lang.